Number one, many believe that entrepreneurship has an age limit. This couldn't be further from the truth, and it's perhaps the most damaging myth of all. Society has this backward notion that entrepreneurship is a young person's game, that you need to be fresh out of college, full of naive optimism, and willing to live on a ramen noodles budget to succeed. But here's what they don't tell you. The statistics actually favor mature entrepreneurs. Research shows that successful entrepreneurs are most commonly in their 40s and 50s when they start their most successful ventures. Colonel Sanders was 62 when he started KFC. Vera Wang was 40 when she entered fashion. Laura Ingalls Wilder didn't publish her first Little House book until she was 65. Your life experiences and the maturity you bring to the table aren't just advantages, they're superpowers. Think of all the skills you have acquired over the years. You've navigated workplace politics, managed budgets, raised children, handled crises, negotiated deals, and solved countless problems. You've developed emotional intelligence, resilience, and the ability to see the bigger picture. You understand customer service because you've been on both sides of it. You know what good leadership looks like because you've experienced both great and terrible bosses. You have networks and relationships that took decades to build. You have credibility that can't be faked or fast-tracked. While younger entrepreneurs are still figuring out who they are, you already know. You know your values, your strength, and what matters to you. This self-awareness is incredibly valuable in business because it helps you make decisions faster and with more confidence. There's no right age to start. What matters is the passion and determination you bring with you. In fact, your age gives you something invaluable that younger entrepreneurs lack: perspective. You've seen economic cycles, you've weathered storms, and you've learned that setbacks are temporary, but resilience is permanent. Remember, it's never too late to follow your dreams and make a meaningful impact. The world needs what you have to offer. Your unique combination of experiences, wisdom, and fresh enthusiasm for this new chapter. For me, it was about who would hire me at this age. Then I realized, who cares? I don't need to continue making money for someone else when I could be making money for myself. This was a turning point for me. I immediately began learning everything I could get my hands on. I was determined to propel myself into the life I always wanted. And look at me now. Here I am, living my best life and doing it on my own terms. It's one of the most liberating feelings I've ever experienced.